ಈ ತರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಕಿರೋ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ. ಅಣ್ಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಮಗ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ.
You have boobs? When did you do boobs? See?
It's too good, yeah.
ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಜಮಾನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿಗಳೇ ತುಂಬಿರೋ ಈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಭಯ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ 5 ಗಂಟೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದುಬೈಲಿ ನಾನು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದಿರೋದು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ. ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸನ್ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಅವರ್ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಂಪಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನಣ್ಣ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ತರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋಕಿರೋ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ. ಅಣ್ಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಮಗ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಇವನಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಹೋ ಬಂದ ಗುರು. ಏನೋ ಮಚ್ಚ ಅಲೋ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮಚ್ಚ ಏನೋ ಮಚ್ಚ ಸೈಕಾಗೈತಲ್ಲೋ. ಗಾಯ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್. ಇದೇ ಗುರು ಗಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಾಗು ಸೈಡಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿಸ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಇವರು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಕೋ ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಇದರ ಬೆಲೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪಾಪ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5:30 ಬಂದವನೆ. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 5:30. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಾವ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ವಾವ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ವಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. It is 5:28 AM. 5:28 AM guys. Oh my god. Nobody in the world. ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ 5:30 ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಗುರು. ನಿಜ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲ್. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾವ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗುರು. 2-3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ರೋ ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I came just for you.
So wow, yeah man, I love you bro. Bro, I love you.
Hey. Okay, Taresh, I see you. Okay.
By the way guys, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಶರ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೋಡ್, ನನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ತಾರಶ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 50% ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ. 50% ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗಲೇ ಶರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದವರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಜಮಾನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಅಜ್ಮಾನ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಯೋ ಗುರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕತ್ಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಕು. ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಟ್ಲೆ. ನಾನು ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು DRL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ ಇದು. ಹೊಡಿದ್ 37 ಇಂಚ್ ಟೈರ್ ಗುರು ಇದು.
37 inch tire.
And actually the rims is very small. You see the rims are 17 inch but the tire itself is 37 inch. Where is he bro? Can you call him? Yo Eta Sugamano. This guy bro, I told you okay, there is a place from here to here, right? You should come like this, right? Fuck, he come like this bro. 3 2 1 go. Crazy man. Tea kudiyo ona. Hey, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? It's okay. We'll pay later, don't worry. Yeah. He's like, hey, kaskado, give me money. Give me my money, yo. Give me money. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Mujahid.
Why are you feeling sad? Be happy.
I am from Pakistan.
Hello, salam alaikum. Kaif halak? Zain. Hello, ananga mana? ಸುಗಮನೋ. ಈ ಜನಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮಜಾಡ ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗುರು. ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ನಂಗೆ. ಇದಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಬರೋಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ.
You told me that we can remove this door.
Yes.
Where do we keep this door?
See, you can keep the doors here. Here.
Then I have another doubt.
What?
What is this?
Bro, it's a roll cage, bro.
Roll cage.
If you,
It's roll cage.
yeah,
Cage.
it is. If you know, if the car topples, then nothing should happen to the interior. What else it could be?
Yeah.
He said like anything for you, bro. I just said, man, I love you. They were like, hey, don't touch me. What the fuck? What are you doing, bro? Don't touch me, man. I'm not the type. Oh, look at that Bronco. That is the cutest Bronco. That is the child of this Bronco.
It's a very real.
That is the children. Oh, that's look.
ഈ ബ്രോങ്കയുടെ മോനെയാണ്
എന്താ മോനെ? This mode alla bro. Bro, in the Bronco.
Ayyo. No, how do you know that?
Yeah, because of people like you who taught me.
blame it on
Ayyo.
How is the feeling sitting in the back?
not that great.
He born and grown up in Dubai. He put maps to go to Sheikh Zayed Road.
Because these things, they don't share it in media.
ಓಕೆ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಕೊನೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬೀಚು, ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಕೋ. ಏನ್ ಸೈಕ್ ಗುರು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೊರಟಾಗ 5:30 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 6:30 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. 1.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ವೆದರ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಲರ್ ಗಾಡಿ, ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಕೋ SRT.
Bro.
Bro, how is this name, bro? Ford Bronco SRT. This is the Ford Bronco Raptor, guys. It has 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine. ಇದು 418 horsepower ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. The rims, each rims cost you 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs. So 3.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಒಂದು ರಿಮ್ಗೆ, 4 ರಿಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅರೌಂಡ್ 14 lakhs, bro, just for the rims. And ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು we have taken the car into the beach. Feel of true experience. People say that, oh, this will go off-roading, blah, 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 but fucking nobody shows, man. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What do you say, bro?
I agree.
Okay. I mean, what do you expect, bro? They scammed you, bro.
Actually, bro, I can't say.
379,000 dirhams. Come on, it's not a small amount.
At least there's.
Come on. Oh, what the fuck? There's another one over here.
Hey, bro, wait. I mean, like, it doesn't serve any purpose, actually. The theme, particularly the orange theme, even you see here, even here it's kind of this suspension also orange alli ಇದೆ, and this is the Fox suspension which is very good for off-roading. But did you guys observe one thing? This is the camera. So on the new Mahindra Thor Rocks, they have the same kind of camera, like wheel ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈರ್ ನ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಬ್ರೋ, ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫೆಂಡರ್ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫೆಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಂಗರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಲೆಂತಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಬ್ರೋ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇದು ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮಸ್ಟಾಂಗ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಫಾರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಜ್ ಐ ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮಸ್ಟಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Even Ferrari is also the horse always stands.
Why the fucking horse is looking downwards, bro?
I don't know. It's off-roading, no, so always. Only that's why. Let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments, guys. So ingade, oh man, I really like this, the way we can open the dicky.
That's right.
It's so huge, man.
I agree.
So huge actually. And ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, because this is off-roading vehicle.
Yes.
So I think it's optional. You can put a back seat. Can we do it?
No, this doesn't.
It doesn't have any option actually. But amazing, Allah. See the roll cage, bro. You know why roll cage is?
To protect the car, you told me. Also, bro, do you notice something?
Yeah.
Suspension is too good.
Yes.
It could be a dancing car, and no one will notice.
Oh yeah.
I'm married.
Why not?
Married. I can't comment on that. I'm married, bro. Come on. Really, but still, I want to try, bro. Let me try.
Actually, try.
Yes.
See?
It's too good. Yeah. I don't know.
Before I talk about the interior, guys, you should see the door. Check the doors, bro. Doors. Don't you think the doors are one of the coolest doors?
I agree.
It's so cool, man. Like,
Did you notice something? It's frameless doors as well.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
Yeah. ಇಲ್ಲಿ carbon fiber holder ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, so that when you don't need to hold the steering, bro. So many people observed they hold the steering and then they jump in. So this is good that they are given the holder here.
Absolutely.
But ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, your sitting position is one of the worst sitting position, I'm telling you. What the fuck is this? Like a girl?
You can adjust as well. You can adjust.
Yeah, but what is this, man? This is how you drive? Seriously, bro? You like this?
You have boobs? When did you do boob job?
I mean, like, I have man
Breast
boobs.
implants.
I have man boobs, bro.
No comments.
It's too hot. Give me the key.
What key? Just press it.
There's a
Started.
Fucking hot, man. It's already getting hot. It's not Alcantara, man. What the fuck are you talking, bro? Is it Alcantara? There is no Alcantara at all in this car.
I wish. That's a must.
Did he really bite or what? I doubt, bro. Saying steel iron for this one, Alcantara for this leather.
Sure.
Did they change the name of this part or what is it? I don't understand what's happening.
Here.
And it's matte carbon as well.
Yep.
But actually, matte carbon is kind of easier to get the finish compared to the glossy carbon.
Glossy carbon.
Yeah, because glossy carbon might get some kind of bubbles thing and all. But matte carbon is very easier. But you see this, bro? Even it has logo here, man.
Yes.
It has a cute logo. I really don't know why the horse is facing downwards. That is one thing. Even on the steering also you can find this one. But guys, it's actually 4-wheel drive. It's all-wheel drive.
Goat modes.
Goat mode.
And turn this.
Bro, check the animation of this. Like, man, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೋಡ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾರ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬಟನ್.
Yeah, it's done.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಇದು, ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮೋಡ್.
Oh, the animation is
sick, bro. Full sunroof, bro.
Okay, well, I have a doubt.
What?
You can remove this, this, and even this.
Back side as well.
Well, back unit as well.
No, not the black one. No, only here, I guess.
Here.
Up and here. The passenger, here. The back seat and here. And put it in the dicky and go drive. Seats are heated and ventilated, bro. Did you observe that?
The seats are comfortable.
Seats are
better than
ventilated
the
and
back seats.
ventilated, and you get good storage here. I mean, like this car is full of storage. What do you keep here?
Something, I don't know. But I have a question for viewers.
Yes.
What car do you guys choose? Ford Bronco Raptor or Ford F-150 Raptor?
So, bro, see, I love off-roading cars. I love truck actually. If you ask me, I would better choose compact off-roading like this. I love this kind of compact. This one F-150 or F-250. I think it's too big, bro. It's too big for.
It's mainly like a two-shop solution.
Yeah.
You
Like,
can pick things, travel.
I understand, but that is mainly to pick up items and all. Actually, I don't really feel good, driving that car every day. But I feel good driving this car every day. Like it's kind of compact and also fun to drive.
Yes.
True.
Those are like very difficult to park also. Like you can't drive it every day.
True.
A big car, where do you park? You need 2 parking space for that. Buttons. See, really, you can. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್.
You know something about this car? You can switch off the airbag on and off. So when you go off-roading,
Yes.
like usually airbags come off when the chassis is hit, right?
Yes,
So when you go off-roading, the chances of hitting it is very high.
Yeah.
So there's some switch on this side. When you press that button, just like plane, you can say
Yeah.
airbag off.
Okay.
Correct.
Wow.
So you're safe for that.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ okay. Anyways, because car doesn't know that you are going off road.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
It's
so
just a feature. Or else in the entire airbag will pop off and up.
Yes.
Another thing, if the car just fucking flips, there's a SOS button over here.
Yeah. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ
have to give it a try?
Yeah. No, it's okay. ಈ button, if you just press this button, immediately it will go to the nearest police station. No, wait. What the fuck, bro? So immediately ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇದೆ. This is the speaker, bro. So immediately a call ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
We'll give it a try, no?
No, it's okay. Like there is an airbag in this car, but you want to try the airbag? Like that, same thing actually. But see this, they have a charging cable here, bro. Come on.
But the best thing is this GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro mount. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ GoPro mount ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
They kept everything in mind.
Yeah, like it's like everything, bro. It's also storage. You can put some storage here as well. Baja
Champion.
Champion. So what is this car about?
It's an off-road championship, just like Dakar. You reviewed about Porsche 911
Porsche Dakar car, yeah.
So it was basically released as a Dakar championship
Yes.
car. Just like that, there's another championship called Baja.
Dakar. Okay, this is the champion in that Baja thing. Wow. Okay, anyways guys, I hope you like the video. It was a funny video, I guess. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಟಾಟಾ, ಬಾಯ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯಜಮಾನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಆಯ್ತಾ?